Hi boys and girls, for math today you need your math workbook, your red and yellow counters, a pencil, and your red and yellow crayons. Press pause, go get those things, and press play when you're ready to start. Open up your math workbook to page 119. 119 is a 119. So open up your math workbook to page 119 and then put your name at the top of your paper. Do you have any guesses what number we're going to learn today? Take a look at that big blue arrow at the top. What number do you think we're going to practice? 10. I want you to show me all your fingers. Hold them all up and show me 10. 5 and 5 make the number 10. Take a look at the leaves falling down from the top of that page. I want you to pick up your pencil. We're going to cross off each leaf as we count them. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many leaves are there? There are 10. Now I want you to take your pencil and circle the red leaves. So let's count how many red leaves we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want you to take your red counters and show me 5 red leaves on the tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The top row of our tens frame is filled in. And when the top row of our tens frame is filled in, we know that it's showing the number 5. Now pick up your pencil and I want you to circle and count the yellow leaves on that page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many yellow leaves are there? 5. Take your yellow counters and show 5 on the bottom of your tens frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many red counters do you see at the top? 5. How many yellow counters do you see at the bottom? 5. 5 and 5 make the number 10. When your tens frame is all filled in, you know that that's showing the number 10. Move your counters off that page and turn to page 120. So today we're going to count the objects. We're going to cross them off with our pencil as we count them. And then we're going to use our red and yellow crayons to show the number that we count. Remember, we use our red crayon to fill in the top row and our yellow crayon to fill in the bottom row. Take a look at those soccer balls. Let's count those soccer balls together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 soccer balls, so they colored in that tens frame for us. They showed 5 at the top with red, and then they kept on counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with their yellow crayon. That tens frame is all colored in, and that means that there are 10. Take a look at those hockey sticks. Let's count those together. Ready? Pick up your pencil and cross them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many hockey sticks are there? 10. And I know that that means we're going to have to color in the entire tens frame. So I want you to make that top row red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make that bottom row yellow. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is your tens frame all filled in like mine? It better be, because there are 10 hockey sticks. So we have to make sure we fill in all 10 squares on the tens frame. Take a look at those footballs. We're going to cross them off as we count them. And remember, crossing off the objects will help us know which ones we already counted and which ones we still need to count. So pick up your pencil. Let's cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many footballs are there? 10. So we have to fill in that whole tens frame. Use your red to fill in the top. And use your yellow to fill in the bottom. Did we fill in all of the boxes on that tens frame? Yes. What number does our tens frame show? 10. I want you to do the same thing on this next page. So you're going to count the objects, cross them off with your pencil, say how many, and then use your red and yellow crayons to show that number on the tens frames. So finish page 121 and 122 on your own. If you'd like extra practice, you can complete the homework for lesson 5. When you're finished, take a picture and send it to me on Seesaw.